Bitcoin price prediction: how high will BTC price surge post-2024 halving? Analyst PlanB predicts Bitcoin's next halving event April 2024. PlanB's model evolution: evaluating the July 2023 turning point. Renowned analyst PlanB has turned its attention to the future of Bitcoin, indicating an upcoming surge in value that is expected to unfold after April 2024. PlanB suggests that the catalyst for this highly anticipated upswing will be the next halving event. Analyst PlanB predicts Bitcoin's next halving event April 2024. The PlanB analysis is based on a forecasting model called the stock-to-flow model, which serves as the foundation for his predictions. This model revolves around Bitcoin's increasing scarcity, consequently driving its price upwards. You see, Bitcoin supply gets cut in half roughly every 4 years, which makes it rarer and more valuable. Consequently, experts anticipate this highly awaited process to begin following the next halving event, scheduled for April 2024. PlanB believes that this ongoing bullish market could extend for a minimum of 8 months. Furthermore, there is speculation that Bitcoin may achieve its highest value by early 2025. This intriguing development holds considerable interest for individuals with investments in Bitcoin. During the liquidation phase, PlanB has observed significant events, specifically the challenges faced by the Terra, Luna, and FTX ecosystems. These developments highlight the ever-changing and occasionally unstable nature of the cryptocurrency landscape. PlanB's model evolution: evaluating the July 2023 turning point. PlanB believed that the bear market for Bitcoin might have already come to an end in July 2023. Additionally, he observed that Bitcoin's performance after the FTX phase was inadequate. It is important to note that while PlanB's model generally provided a broad outlook, it encountered difficulties during late 2021 when it failed to accurately predict certain market trends. PlanB has simplified his model for better comprehension. Instead of employing complex terminology, he now employs a more straightforward approach by utilizing the accumulation bull market bear market liquidation model to discuss the fluctuation of Bitcoin's price over time. This modification reflects the rapid pace of the cryptocurrency world. Despite the implemented changes, PlanB maintains the belief that people's sentiments towards Bitcoin will remain relatively unchanged throughout the upcoming bullish market. The whale of this altcoin made a large purchase from Binance. There was a sudden jump in price. A new whale, known by the short address 0x0BA, purchased $2.2 million worth of tokens from the Bitcoin exchange Binance. Recently, a new whale known by the short address 0x0BA purchased a staggering 74,578 TRB tokens from Binance. The purchase was made at a price of $29.55 per token, for a total amount of approximately $2.2 million. After the purchase of the whale, there was a sudden increase in the price of the token. TRB token, which has increased by approximately 18%, is trading at around $34 at the time of writing this article. TRB token is one of the altcoins that has been on the agenda of the cryptocurrency market recently. The token has witnessed major sudden price fluctuations in recent weeks and has seen very high negative values in its funding rate. The total market value of the token is around $58 million at the time of writing. However, it is estimated that the token is also targeted by DWF Labs, a market-making company whose name has been frequently heard lately. In his recent tweet, the founder of DWF Labs pointed out the negative funding rate, alluding to the TRB token. The company was accused of manipulation by other market makers at the Token 2049 cryptocurrency conference in Singapore. Stellar XLM readies for its biggest protocol upgrade. Details: blockchain-based payment network Stellar XLM readies for its biggest, most complex protocol upgrade to date, Protocol 20 upgrade, which will introduce support for Soroban smart contracts. In an exciting upcoming development, Soroban smart contract support will be added to Stellar's testnet on September 20 at 3 p.m. UTC. Soroban makes this known in an X post, adding that the Soroban FutureNet will remain live and unaffected for the time being. Prepare for #Stellar's Protocol 20 upgrade. It's the biggest one yet, introducing Soroban smart contracts. Things to know: 1. Testnet upgrade on September 20th, update Stellar-related software. 3. Stay updated in the #Protocol 20 Discord channel. 4. Go here for more info. The Stellar testnet will also upgrade on Wednesday, September 20, 3 p.m. UTC to release candidate versions of Stellar Core and Horizon. As the Protocol 20 upgrade would introduce new network settings that validators control, the initial upgrade vote might be followed by a series of additional votes to adjust the settings. As stated by Stellar in a blog post explaining the details of the upgrade, mainnet validators are likely to schedule an upgrade vote date for 6 weeks after stable releases come out. Thus, the date for the public network upgrade vote is TBD, which means to be determined. Stellar, however, promises to provide an update in this regard as time goes on. It also promises to immediately supply timelines for the votes and also update with new dates as new information comes in or as new releases come out. Stellar garnered attention in the past week after it unveiled its much-awaited teaser, which was a fancy commercial with British actor Idris Elba. A new look for Stellar was also undertaken with a website rebrand. On September 14, Stellar also introduced Decentralife, a series that explores the authentic stories of individuals creating real-world change through blockchain technology. At the time of writing, Stellar XLM was less moved by the upgrade news. XLM was up 1.40% in the last 24 hours to $0.119, mirroring the general rise in the crypto market. Judge Zia Faruqui sets cooperative tone in Binance US versus SEC legal battle. Judge Zia Faruqui encouraged Binance US and the SEC to work together on discovery requests, criticizing the SEC's broad information demands. The judge set an October 10 deadline for a joint status report and a follow-up hearing for October 12. Binance US attorney Matthew Martins dismissed the SEC's foolishness of document requests, stating they have responded to every targeted request. During a pivotal hearing between Binance US and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, U.S. Magistrate Judge Zia Faruqui encouraged both parties to collaborate on discovery requests. The judge set a cooperative tone for the case, advising that they should work this out together rather than relying on court mandates. He also criticized the SEC for what he termed a fishing expedition, referring to the agency's broad and potentially unrelated information requests. Judge Faruqui also directed the SEC to be more specific in its information requests. He allowed for the deposition of certain shareholders to assess the safety of Binance US's funds. Additionally, the judge indicated that Binance US should provide more details about its relationship with its service provider, Cefu. Expressing reservations about the parent company of Binance US, PlanB Trading, the judge noted that they need more information to fully understand their control over assets. While the court did not grant the SEC's immediate request for an inspection, it did express concerns about Binance US's control over its assets, suggesting that additional documentation is required. The SEC's concerns are rooted in the relationship between the custody platform Cefu and Binance Holdings Limited, the global parent company. XRP rides the bullish wave as Bitcoin's dominance wanes. XRP's resurgence at $0.5078 sparks bullish hopes amid crypto market uncertainties. Crypto expert Crypto Kaleo predicts a robust XRP comeback, eyeing SEC's appeal outcome. Ripple seizes opportunities as BTC's dominance wanes, poised for mainstream adoption. XRP has climbed back to a promising $0.5078 after touching a low of around 46 cents on September 11, reigniting hope for more bullish price action. Despite many altcoins having retraced the gains seen after July's summary judgment in the United States Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC lawsuit against Ripple, the sustained interest in digital assets has so far prevented a major crypto market nosedive. Concerns about mounting inflation and interest rates fuel this interest, and institutional and retail investors seek solace in digital assets. The USD chart has found solid support after completely retracing to the pre-July SEC news levels, while the BTC pair is on the verge of a HTF breakout.